Just want to do a quick update on the GX3 air compressor. I've had it since November of 2020. I've used it quite a bit, put quite a few hours on it. I've taken it out to the range and run it off of a car battery. You can see it comes with this converter that you can use to plug into your wall, or you can just hook these straight up to your car battery, which I've done lots of times. It's always worked. Never had an issue. Never run my car battery dead either, which was a worry I had originally, but yeah, it's always been fine. So you can set your safety valve here, wherever you want to cut the pressure off at for the auto start. Your bleed off valve. So here you can see I've got it hooked up. It is nearly full right now anyways, but I just want to fire it up and show you guys how it all works. So I just hit the start button. You can see it's coming up to pressure. Comes up pretty fast. It'll slow down once it catches up with where the gun is at. Alright, I'm going to lower that just a hair. So now it's actually filling the gun. You can see the needle there going up. See, and there it just cut off because it hit the safety spot. So you just undo the bleed valve. And you can disconnect. They say to leave it on to let the fan cool it down, but where I just had it running for a minute, I didn't feel the need to. Anyway, so 6 months in, I definitely recommend it. I love how portable it is. It's not super light for its size, it is made of metal. It's nice and durable, but it works well. I did actually cause one problem with my own. So this bleed valve was loose and I was in the car, and the bleed valve actually fell out, this little piece. Now on the original one that I had, it had a little ball right here that would go in and plug the valve. And so when it fell out, it just rattled loose in my car because I just had set it in just like that, so it was loose. And that fell out, which made it so that it wouldn't seal. And so I couldn't actually bring it up to pressure. So I thought I had broken my pump. I reached out to the manufacturer on Amazon, the distributor, and their customer service was great. They sent me a new part. In fact, they sent me a whole new spare parts kit because I told them that I had lost mine. Yeah, it comes with a whole bunch of spare parts in case you do need them. I have not needed them, but they're there in case you do. But yeah, the customer service was great. They got me the parts that I needed. They were really knowledgeable. The response time was pretty good. Obviously different time zones, so they would respond late at night, but they were great about it. Anyways, overall, honestly, this thing kind of hit it out of the park. I love it a lot more than the Yongkang. It's nice that it's all enclosed in a nice steel case. It's got a nice carry handle. You can haul it around, plug it into your car, all that kind of stuff. Maintenance on this thing is basically zero. Like, you really don't have to do anything. It just works, which is what I want out of a compressor. I don't want to have to mess with it. I want to be out shooting and doing all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I really like it. They said that they are going to have another model coming out that has this converter built into it, so I'm excited about that. I'm going to try to get one, save up for it, because that would be nice to not have to haul around the converter. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see if I post another review. But yeah, 10 out of 10, great little compressor. Honestly, a little bit more than what the Yongkang is, but for me, totally worth it. I am a big fan of the compressor. It's easy to fix anything that goes wrong on it. Like, they just sent me the part and I stuck it right in, and it was my own fault that it got lost anyway, so not their fault at all. But yeah, great compressor. It's done well for me. I'll probably be buying more of their products in the future. I'm impressed.